Question number 81. Let's read it. Which among the following alkynes gives H2 gas with sodium? Students, for this question we need to know that terminal alkynes are acidic in nature because of the presence of acidic hydrogen atom attached to the sp hybridized carbon atom. As a result, terminal alkynes reacts with sodium to give hydrogen gas. I'm writing the reaction. We have one terminal alkyne. This reacts with sodium to give hydrogen gas. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to the next question, which is 82. The carcinogenic hydrocarbon among the following is? Student, for this question we need to know that polynuclear hydrocarbons containing more than 2 benzene rings fused together are toxic and said to be carcinogenic. Here 1,2-benz pyrene is carcinogenic hydrocarbon. That means the correct answer is option number 2. I'm also drawing its structure. So in this case, 5 rings are fused together. So this is 1,2-benz pyrene. Moving to the next question, which is 83. Let's read it. Depletion of ozone in stratosphere is due to? Student, CF2Cl2 is the cause of depletion of ozone layer in stratosphere. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, which is 84. Let's read it. Decreasing order of stability of carbocation is? Student, we know that more is the electron donating group attached, more will be the stability of carbocation, and electron withdrawing group decreases the stability of carbocation. So here number 4th compound will be most stable since this compound is aromatic in nature. So the order of stability is 4th, followed by 2nd, since here one electron donating group, that is a group which has plus M effect, is attached. Then we have structure number 1, and then we have structure number 3. Since in this case NO2 group is attached, which is an electron withdrawing group. That means the correct order is represented in option number 4. Moving to the next question, which is 85. Let's read it. For which of the following compounds Geldahl's method is applicable? Students, Geldahl method is not applicable to azo compounds, nitro compounds, and the compounds in which nitrogen is present in the ring, for example pyridine. So among the following, Geldahl's method is applicable in case of option number 3, that is in case of amide. So the correct answer is option number 3.